Hello friends, welcome to the tech world. Today, we're talking about a smartphone that has grabbed everyone's attention even before its official launch. Yes, you guessed it, we're talking about the Nokia McLaren Pro Max 5G. This isn't just a phone, it's a superphone that could mark Nokia's grand comeback. If you're one of those who thinks Nokia is outdated now, this video is about to change your mind. Because today, we'll break down every feature, price, and launch date of this beast in detail. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Features of the Nokia McLaren Pro Max 5G. Design and display. Friends, at first glance, this phone screams premium. With a massive 6.82-inch OLED display, it packs full HD plus resolution, and a 120 Hz refresh rate, meaning buttery smooth scrolling and gaming. It also comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 7 protection, making it tougher than ever. And yes, there's an under-display fingerprint sensor that unlocks in a flash. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the camera, the biggest highlight of this phone. It features a triple camera setup, including a 300-megapixel primary sensor. Apart from these, there are two other sensors, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 5-megapixel macro lens. And for selfie lovers, don't worry, there's a 50-megapixel front camera just for you. Performance. Under the hood, this beast is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, making it the most powerful Nokia phone ever. With 12GB RAM and 256GB storage, it'll handle every heavy game and multitasking like a champ. And for software, it runs Android 16, super smooth and feature-packed. Battery beast. If battery life worries you, this phone will end your stress. A 7200 mAh monster battery keeps it running for 2 full days. And when it's time to charge, 120-watt fast charging juices it up to 100% in just 15 minutes. That's faster than your tea break. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? According to our sources, it could launch around $699, which is super competitive for these specs. Launch date. Nokia hasn't officially announced it yet, but we expect it to arrive by the end of 2025.